Hi there, guys. Tommy Olsson here. Today I've launched a new product at Warriorplus. It's called AI Explosion Code, and the front affiliate will earn 50% commission on the whole funnel. The front end product is a detailed ebook about how beginners can start making money with Chatgpt quite easily. And then there's one upsale, and that is involving different emails created by ChatGPT that you can use to promote successfully any product or service. I would greatly appreciate if you would be able to join me on this and promoting this offer. I will really appreciate it. But it's not must, it's up to you, of course. But you can find the link to the affiliate JV page in the comments section. Have a great day. Bye-bye.